In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import the data of the WP Travel Engine into your website in 2025. Whether you're new to managing your WordPress site or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process to ensure a smooth and successful import. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. If you're not familiar with this, your admin dashboard is the back end of your WordPress site where all the main settings and features can be accessed. Simply navigate to your WordPress login page, enter your credentials, and click on the login button. Once you're logged in, you're going to be working mostly from this area, so get comfortable. Next, once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand side where the main menu is. Navigate to WP Travel Engine. From there, mouse over to find the Tools option. Under Tools, you'll notice the Import/Export section. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the main hub for importing your data. Now let's head over to the Import tab. This section is specifically designed to handle data importations, making the process as seamless as possible. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted for the next steps, and that's where the real fun begins. You'll see an option to choose file, click on that, and a file browser window will open. What you're looking to do here is select the exported.json file from your computer. This file contains all the data you want to bring into your WP Travel Engine. Make sure you've got the right file selected and then confirm your choice. With the file selected, you're good to go for the import. Hit the Import Data button. WordPress will start bringing in all the data from the file you just uploaded. It's essential to be patient here. This step might take a little while, depending on the size of your dataset. During this time, it's a good idea to avoid navigating away from the page to prevent any interruptions. Once the import process is complete, there's one final step to ensure everything went smoothly. Refresh your site and check to see if all your trips and settings have been restored accurately. A quick glance over your data will tell you if the import was successful. If all looks good, congratulations, you've successfully imported your data. And there you have it. You've learned how to import data of the WP Travel Engine into your website. This skill can be especially helpful in scenarios where you need to back up your information or transfer it to a new site. Keep this video handy as a resource for the next time you need to carry out this task. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.